So this is the IMS, not the Nanotech one. So as you can see, this is one piece with holes inside, whereas this, if you flip it over, this is a stock. See, so the stock is basically a base steel plate with holes, and then the top is a mesh, and then to hold the mesh in place there's a silver stainless steel ring to push it down, whereas this looks like it's one piece on the top actually and another piece on the bottom. So it looks like it's still two pieces, but inside is one piece and the outer one has the holes in it.